What is up, guys? Welcome to Eduvape. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be unboxing the Puffco Peak Vision Lightning. The Puffco Peak Vision Lightning is this newest limited edition Puffco Peak that has this trippy rainbow metal band, and that's actually the theme for the newest Puffco Peak. It's a psychedelic theme, and today we're going to be unboxing this Vision Lightning Peak. So, the Vision Lightning comes with everything that the Puffco Peak comes with. It comes with everything you need to use it. Comes with a water attachment tool, comes with base, comes with a charger, comes with cleaning tools, comes with replacement ceramic bowl, comes with everything you need to use it. So this is the outside of Puffco Peak Vision Lightning, and here's the back. It has a picture of everything that's included, a little list of everything's included. It also has a nice brief description of what this unit does. And on the front, you can see that there's this Puffco logo in this trippy psychedelic theme. And on the bottom, most importantly, the authenticity sticker. When you buy with us, you're getting an authentic unit, also a great deal, and a bunch of free things. When you're buying on Amazon, when you're buying on eBay, you literally don't know what you're getting, and you could be getting a fake, so consider that. When you buy a Vision Lightning with us, with Eduvape, we're throwing in a free Puffco Prism. We really like this silicone container, and we're actually throwing it in for free with every purchase. But not only that, we're also going to give you some glob mops. Glob mops are so useful. The Puffco Peak only comes with 4 Q-tips, and that's definitely not enough. We're gonna throw in a bunch of Q-tips for you guys, a bunch of glob mops. But not only that, we're also gonna throw in a free glow-in-the-dark silicone container. So you guys actually get 2 containers, one that glows in the dark just like your Puffco Peak, and one that has many compartments, the Puffco Prism, one of our favorite silicone containers. We are also going to upgrade your shipping so it's faster, it's expedited to you, so expect your Peak very soon. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and continue unboxing this Vision Lightning Peak. All brand new Peaks should come sealed like this. It should have an authenticity sticker on the bottom. This doesn't apply to the original Puffco Peak, the black. All the new limited edition Puffco Peaks have the sticker on the bottom. So that's how you know it's authentic. That's how you know you're getting a brand new legit unit. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Here's the box without the piece of plastic. It's very sturdy, very nice cardboard box. You can tell that Puffco thoroughly thought about every single little detail with this box. They wanted to make a custom container for this premium portable dabbing device, and this is the box they got for it. Even on the side, you see that you get exactly what you put inside, and what's inside here is a powerhouse. And I definitely recommend this device to anyone who wants to try oils, because this device is very efficient, very consistent. You get a good experience every single time with multiple heat settings. It goes very low for someone new who doesn't want something very hot to very hot for veterans out there that want giant clouds. So here's the box of the unit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this unit. Welcome to the Peak. Here's the inside of the box. It comes in this really nice case that's durable, waterproof. I really like how durable this case is, and also lightweight. So huge kudos to Puffco for creating a lightweight yet protective case that doesn't get dirty really easily. Also included is a instruction manual that you should definitely go over. Make sure to charge the device fully before your first use. Literally, your battery could die if you didn't charge it before your first use. So definitely try to charge it before that first use. Make sure to fill the glass with water just above the air holes, so not too high, not too much, not too heavy, or you risk getting a mouthful of water, which is really gross. This is a very handy tool to have. Just make sure to skim over the manual really quick. You can get an idea of what temperatures you like to use, how much load, cleaning, warranty, all information about that stuff in the manual. So keep that manual around, and in fact, I will even go over the manual in one of my videos, and I will link it to this video, but I'll make that some other time. Here is the Peak box. Very nice, very durable. Has this little opening or dent on the side. Nice seal. You can't really open it easily. You can see that the Puffco logo is down here. Let's open this thing. Ooh, look at that, man. Alright, so here is the Vision Lightning base. Here's what you get with this Vision Lightning kit. You get the Vision Lightning base, high capacity battery, fast charging, this powerhouse of a battery. And wow, wow, this metal band and the way it looks even better than what I thought. It's such a beautiful color. It's not glossy where you get fingerprints all over it. It has like a nice matte finish. I was a little bit afraid that the base would look kind of cheesy, but the way that the color blends together makes it look not cheesy to me, not weird at all. It's almost like a subtle transition. I just freaking love the way this base looks. And look at on the bottom. Look at that detail. That you get this full color metal bottom plate. You can see that there's a authentic serial number on the bottom of the device. This is how you know you got an authentic device. And if you look very closely, you can see the internals of the unit. I find that is a really cool touch to the device. There's something about seeing the insides of the device that just makes me feel really happy. So there it is. There's the base of the device. It has a beautiful full color metal band that's like in this psychedelic or hallucinogenic color. It's so many colors. Wow, guys, you gotta check this out. And as you can see on the silicone protector on the ceramic bowl, you can see that there's a trippy rainbow color that matches the top of the base. I like that little touch of detail to the device. This device is very beautiful. You definitely want to see it in person. It looks way better than I originally thought. So here is the glass that it comes with. The glass is really cool, really sturdy. It has good function. In the inside, you can see that the stem is green, and on the bottom of the glass, you can see that this Puffco logo and also a serial number. That's how you know you're getting a authentic unit. There's a serial number on the bottom of this, and they all should match up. So okay, I'm gonna put the glass on here. So look, yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at it. So what else are you getting with this? You're getting a tool. This tool is super reliable. I use this tool a lot. You're getting a beautiful clear pink carb cap that matches perfectly with this psychedelic trippy vibe. So what else is included? You get the fast charger wall brick. Here's the fast charging USB cable. You're getting 4 Q-tips. Here's the matching silicone tether. This tool is so handy. Make sure to put this on. Just wrap it around the front, line the cap. That's how I like doing it. And just push it down like that. Pull it over, and now it's perfectly aligned. There it is. You also get a replacement ceramic bowl. So if you ever burn your bowl, this is pretty much everything your Vision Lightning comes with. You get the silicone base, all of these tools. But when you buy it with us, with Eduvape, we're literally gonna also throw in a couple free things for you. We're gonna give you guys a Puffco Prism silicone container. It's this triangle container that has many slots that you can store your stuff in. We're gonna give it away for free. You're getting a glow-in-the-dark silicone container on the house, and throwing in some glob mops for you guys. Definitely not a whole pack, but we're gonna give you a generous sample pack. So you guys will have plenty of Q-tips and not just 4. We're just thinking about you guys. So yeah, this is everything you get with the Eduvape Vision Lightning deal. Definitely do not wait. Limited edition Puffco Peak literally sells out and you can never get it again. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump right in on how to use this device, and we're gonna jump right into a demo. I'm gonna demo the Vision Lightning for you guys. Alright, first things first, you want to fill the water filtration tube with some water. Remember, right above the holes in the percolator slots, not too much, but not too little. A perfect amount is exactly what you need. Be careful about overfilling. You may cause water to go into the unit itself. Be careful about underfilling. You won't get that conditioning that you need for this device. And the way I like to test it is just give it a little draw. See if it's at the right level that you like it. Just above the holes, give it a good test. Perfect. No water going in my mouth. It's a good restriction. Perfect. Put it back on. It firmly snaps back into place. This carb cap perfectly secured. Definitely won't fall anywhere. Alright, what's next? You want to turn on the device. Press and hold the silicone button right in the front for like about 5 seconds. It should vibrate and signify that it's on with a white light. Now if you click 3 times, you can see how much battery this device has. You can see that this device has green battery, which means full battery. Now, what's next? You want to load the device with your tool. You load it into the ceramic chamber. You can see how much you need to load based on the manual. What I do is sometimes I just melt the substance in. Sometimes I also break it in and just sometimes it falls in itself. So go ahead and cycle to the temperature you want this device at. If your concentrates fall off, you can go ahead and take the tool off. Now that it's loaded, choose the temperature you want by cycling through the temperature with 1 click. Here's green, here's red, here's white, here's blue. your screen. I'm gonna choose green. Green's my favorite one. Once you do this, go ahead and double click the device to initiate the heating. You can see that it's blinking. Once it turns a solid color, that's when it's ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that. Put your cap back on to cover it. Keep all that goodness inside. Now that it vibrates, go ahead and draw on the device. You can see that the vapor is forming at a consistent and comfortable rate. The flavor is top notch. The experience is pretty top notch. And I would definitely recommend this device to anyone who love oils who want to get into oils, because this device can form at very low temperatures all the way up to very high temperatures. So you get a huge array of different experience. And now once you're done using the Puffco, go ahead and clean the ceramic chamber with a Q-tip. And that's how you use the Vision Lightning Puffco Peak. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that this video helped you pick the perfect device for you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And to support this channel, consider getting a good deal on our website at www.eduvape.com.